So I'm really into food bloggers on Instagram. It's probably my favorite industry to follow on the channel because I love healthy cooking. I have celiac. Someone that lives with an autoimmune disease, my diet is so important to me. I'm someone that cooks a lot at home because I follow the gluten-free diet very strictly, and it's not really easy to be strict on the diet if you're going out to eat a lot. It's also not easy to stay on a good budget if you're going out to eat a lot. So that's why I love to cook for myself, because it helps me to stick to my budget, and it also really helps me just make sure that I'm feeling good because I'm in control of everything that's going in my body. And when you have an autoimmune disease or an allergy like celiac, what celiac means is I'm allergic to gluten. So anytime I eat gluten, my body attacks itself. It's extremely painful when I eat gluten. And so that's why I take following the gluten-free diet so seriously. I cook for myself a lot, and I'm always looking for different food bloggers and Instagrammers that I can be inspired by for recipe development and all that fun stuff. So that's why I decided to bring Ella over today. Ella is gonna make a smoothie, talk a little bit about her food blog. You can find Ella on Instagram at The Local Sprout, and I am so excited to get to feature her today. She's coming over to my place. We're gonna do a little bit of cooking in my kitchen, and Ella's gonna share what she knows in the world of gluten-free food blogging, eating healthy. So yeah, let's go see what Ella has to cook up for us. So I am here with Ella, the local sprout, and I am so excited here to talk a little bit about her blog because I absolutely love her blog. You have so many good recipes on it.
Thank you.
And your Instagram feed is amazing. And the first time that I met Ella was at a Buffalo blogger meetup, and one of the things that I said to her was, you should have way more Instagram followers than you currently do. Like, her Instagram feed literally rivals that of like the Lee from Americas and those people that I love to follow. Like, your photos are so good, the recipes are so good, so I'm just so excited to get to introduce you to the channel. So tell me a little bit about like when you got started blogging, why did you get started blogging, all that.
Yeah, so I started eating gluten-free, so that's where all began. When I was 16, I had been sick for like a year straight, and we were just trying to figure out what things were making me sick. And so we tried the lactose, cutting out lactose, and that didn't work. And then we tried gluten, and sure enough, all the beloved bread that I loved was now out of my life. So after that, I had to eat 100% gluten-free. I just kind of ate all the gluten-free substitutes, so that all the pasta that's filled with not as healthy choices, ingredients, and gluten-free bread that tastes like cardboard. And I lived that life until I was 19 and in college, and my college cafeteria, bless their hearts, they did not do a very good job with the gluten-free stuff, and so there was a lot of cross-contamination, which was really unfortunate. And I decided, all right, I'm gonna get off the meal plan, I'm gonna cook for myself. And I was an art major, so started looking on food blogs for different recipes and was like, wow, this is like an art, like the art of food blogging. And I love the pictures. And so I was like, all right, well, 100% embrace this, and I'll start my own, and that'll be motivation to make more recipes and eat healthier. And so I don't think I started a food blog quite then. I waited a year. I'd been like taking pictures of my food and putting them on my Snapchat or Instagram, whatever. And then when I was 20, I put up a blog, and at first it was like a travel blog, and then it kind of transformed into recipes, and since then I've like done much more on it and totally turned into a food blog, and yeah, so here I am.
That's so awesome. Before Ella makes a recipe, I'm completely putting her on the spot. She doesn't even know that I'm at, like, what these questions are gonna be. And I'm gonna rapid fire like 5 questions at Ella because I'm just curious to know what her answers are.
All right.
So, thoughts on collagen?
Collagen, all right. I think it's a great source of protein. I'll try not to ramble here. I think it's a lot better than a lot of the stuff on the shelves. I don't subscribe to a vegan diet, but I do eat a lot of plant-based foods just because I enjoy it. But I do realize that doing that, I lack protein. And so, yeah, I think it's great substitute.
Do you have a favorite brand?
I like Vital Proteins.
Me too.
Yeah, so yeah, I'll leave it at that.
So good. And here's the thing though, guys, is collagen is not cheap. That's something that you really have to know going in. If you're seeing on Instagram, like everyone's using collagen in their smoothies, that was me. And I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon. And then I went to Whole Foods and was like, oh my God, this stuff is so expensive. Yeah, it's not cheap. And I've definitely noticed a difference in my hair is like silkier and thicker. My nails are like a lot stronger, and I do feel like it's kind of helped with my skin as well.
Yes.
So there are
great.
definite benefits to it, but don't be blind to the price that comes along with including this one thing in your diet.
And I will say on that, get a good brand. Don't go cheap, because you want the grass-fed, grass-finished collagen. It's a huge difference, and it's like better for the environment too.
Question number 2, do you have any what's your favorite blender? You brought your blender with you.
Yeah.
So,
yes, I will say
you've got the Vitamix.
Vitamix. I
love
the
Vitamix.
I blew through 3 blenders in a year in college.
Oh wow.
In 1 year. And it's not like, at that point, it doesn't pay off to have a cheap blender.
Yep.
With that said, I realized I love my smoothies real thick.
Yeah, me too.
This has a really great motor and awesome blade. So worth the investment if you like a thick smoothie.
Question number 3, what's your favorite brand if you have one of almond milk?
Ooh, well, I love milk.
I've never tried it, so tell me why you love it.
Okay, so for me, I have a sensitive stomach, and a lot of conventional milks, or nut milks I should say, have thickeners and fillers like gums and stuff like that.
Yep.
And so I've noticed for me that if I make my own, which I do sometimes, it just sits better on my stomach because I'm not adding in anything.
Yep.
And this has, like, I guess I can show,
really,
really simple ingredients. No fillers, no additives. So yeah, this is cashew milk, but they also make almond milk, and
awesome.
Great.
Okay, so milk.
Milk, yeah.
Cool.
Milk organics.
Question number 4, what is your favorite restaurant in the Buffalo/Western New York area?
Ooh, good question. I love the Dapper Goose.
Okay.
I think they're just really creative recipes. I love the environment there. I guess leave it at that.
Number 5 is, what is your all-time favorite recipe on your own blog?
Oh man. Okay, so this is an old one, and the pictures I probably should update, but it's Southwest sweet potato salad, and it's just really simple, pretty easy, like very easy to make actually. Sweet potatoes, black beans, avocado sauce with like lime, corn, really easy. I made it all the time in college and would make just a huge batch and have it for the week. So
that's
a lot of fun. Yeah.
So I will link the recipe to that one as well in the description. So make sure that you guys check that one out. Tell me what you're gonna make for us.
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna make a recipe for my blog, smoothie recipe, of course. Mint chocolate smoothie. This is a recipe on my blog. It's a little bit new, and I put it up this summer. I love fresh mint. Got some balls.
Ooh.
If you want one.
Yeah, I would love to try. So tell me what this is. Ooh, I'm gonna try a local sprout ball.
All right. So speaking of mint chocolate, I have a slight obsession right now. So those are mint chocolate cake balls, and they have fresh mint in them. They're made with cacao powder and oat flour, dates, a lot of dates, and lots of fresh mint because, like I was saying, summer is the time for fresh mint, and I picked a whole ton when I was visiting my parents. They have mint in their garden, and so brought a lot of fresh mint, and that was another.
These are so good.
Thank you.
You guys have to make these. Oh my god.
Yeah.
The consistency is like perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're so good.
Cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. This smoothie was kind of inspired by using fresh mint, making use of mint in other things besides tea, I guess. So, we have fresh mint in there. In this container, this is a weck jar, and I love my weck jar. I need to buy more of them, but in here I have a ton of...
What's special about them?
Oh, yeah. So I'm huge fan of like eliminating plastic waste, and these are a really great choice for that. They're totally reusable. You can drink out of them like a smoothie or whatever, but this is glass on top, a little silicone piece here, and then little metal clips hold them together. So really easy to store things or use them. I love eating out of them, drinking smoothies out of them. But yeah, very, very much less waste than a normal container.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So in here, actually I'll set this up. In here I have frozen white sweet potato, and for this I use Japanese sweet potato, which is white on the inside and purple on the outside. You could use like a normal white one. I love these because they taste like candy to me when they're frozen. I also think they're like really like a lot thicker and maybe drier, so they make a nice thick smoothie. Got a little piece of banana in there for added sweetness, and yeah, there we go. About a cup of frozen cauliflower. This is really great. I started putting my smoothies about a year ago, and it has changed my life. They make my smoothies super duper thick. You really, like, for those of you who are like, cauliflower and smoothie, that's so weird, it's gonna taste weird. You don't taste it. You don't
it's like a thickening agent.
Yeah, 100%. It's really great. I find that it doesn't like when I use a whole ton of banana, it just is a lot sweet. And so this is like, it tones it down a little bit, makes it really thick, and you get more, so why not? I got some kale. It's about a handful. I froze it. You don't have to. I think in the recipe it calls for spinach, but kale's what I had, and it works. So we're gonna throw some in.
Just put in a little bit of avocado.
Yep, about a quarter of an avocado. That makes it super creamy, adds a little healthy fat, so it's great. Next I'm gonna put in some cacao powder. I really love this stuff. It's less processed than cocoa, and I'm just using 2 teaspoons. I find that to be about the right amount to add that chocolatiness, but it won't overpower it either. Last but not least, I'm going to throw in a few mint leaves. You can use as much as you want. I think the recipe calls for 2 regular size leaves. I'm going to throw in like 4 because I love mint. But yeah, there you go. Those are the ingredients. Now it's blend.
Ready to blend.
All right. Love it.
So the smoothie is blended.
Yay. Okay.
You're gonna throw some cacao nibs.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So you can throw whatever you want on smoothies. I like these on here. Usually some chia seeds too.
Oh, I've got some chia seeds.
Oh, cool. Totally. Let's grab those. Nice. Okay. Throw a few on. Also, like granola, coconut flakes are great. Any fun toppings, hemp seeds, all good stuff.
Heyo!
Oh, look at you! You got everything.
We've got coconut flakes.
Nice.
Ad hoc, guys. We're just adding.
Throw all the things on.
Exactly.
Yeah. Look at you. smoothie artist over here. How pretty.
It looks so good, guys. We're gonna show you. We're gonna dig in.
Yay! Okay. Yum.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Turned out pretty good.
It's really good.
Yay.
You guys need to make this.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Cool.
So Ella showed you guys how to make the mint chocolate smoothie, and I definitely recommend that you guys not only check out her blog, but give this recipe a try, or try out you said it was the Southwest potato salad?
Yes.
So give that one a try too, guys. I'm gonna link them all in the description below, so make sure that you check out her blog. And if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other videos. And if you guys have any other food bloggers or business people in Buffalo that you want to see me feature on the vlog, let me know in the comments below. I absolutely love getting to introduce you guys to people that have energy and enthusiasm and passion like Ella does. And there are so many passionate people in Buffalo in all the different industries. So if you have someone that you think would make for a fun collaboration, let me know and put them in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see ya. Bye.